Smart Faces, it's Bev. Today we have a very special unboxing. This is part of my birthday present that I have here from Jem and Jess. I will have her link in the description box below. She has a great channel, go check it out. Before we get started, if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'd love it if you join my hive. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. So as part of my birthday present, she also got me this mug. Busy Bee still has time for tea. I love it. It's so adorable and it's totally me. And then she also got me this bee washi tape. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. So she told me she was sending me a Diamond Art Club. First she asked, like, do you think this is cute? And I was like, yeah, the painting's really cute. I wanted it. It's on my wish list. And then she's like, okay. And then she sent it to me and I was like, oh my gosh, Jess. Like, she's just so wonderful. She's a really sweet person. I know she hasn't uploaded a video in a while, but hopefully she comes back and will start uploading on a regular basis because I really like her videos. My tongue is still sore from the dentist. It feels frozen, but I think I chomped on it while my tongue was frozen or while my mouth was frozen. So if I am talking funny, I apologize. It is because my tongue is pretty much really sore and frozen. So let's take a look what's inside this box. Diamond Art Club mail is the best mail to get. So we have a round kit and it is Honey Mermaid. Look how cute. People have been saying she's kind of creepy, but I really like that because I like creepy. So let's get into this. Ugh. Scissors. Open this up. Oops, I hit the camera. Oh, it's really sealed. Okay. Okay. So first, right off the bat, we have our sheet here. So this whole thing is a label. On their newer kits, these are actually perforated, so all you have to do is peel them off and then you can put them on the containers. But what I do is I'll cut them and then I'll put each one onto the containers. These are the symbols for the diamond painting. So it looks like there is 2 ABs, 131 and 141, and then there is 25 colors in total. It is by Simona Candini, and it measures 56 by 71 centimeters. Look how adorable she is. She looks really sad though. Like, is that her bee friend? Are they hurt? Is that the queen bee? I don't know, but she's a honey mermaid, so that's really cute. Like, she lives in the honey. Okay, and then we have our diamond painting kit. If you've never ordered a Diamond Art Club before, I'll show you quickly what you get in a kit. You get a blue pen, some baggies, 2 plates of wax, and a squishy and a diamond painting tray. And you also get a 4-placer, which is inside the bag. I'm not going to take it out just because I don't feel like digging in for it. So that is your diamond painting kit, toolkit. Move those aside. And then you also will get a sticker like this, so you can put it in your logbook, you can put it wherever you want. I'm going to put mine on the box right now before I forget. So when I store my Diamond Art Club kits, it will actually be on the end, so I'll know which diamond painting box this is, so I won't get mixed up. Move the box out of the way. Then let's open up this kit. Okay, I'm really excited for this. Really excited. Thank you so much, Jess. So here we have tips and tricks. And then here are our drills, which we'll look at some of them right after we look at the canvas. Now, I know you guys have seen unboxings for this before, but I just wanted to show it to you guys because it is a gift and I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to see it. I've never seen it in person. So this is the first for me. Wow. She's really pretty. She's adorable. So on the top left we have the schematic. Bottom right we have the schematic as well. And again, this is licensed artwork by Simona Candini. Wow, she's so pretty. Okay, let's look where the ABs go. So AB1, so this darker yellow you see here, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, that's going to be an AB, and that goes all the way in these honey drips, and here in the honey over here. And then 2 is this white color. Hopefully you guys can tell that color. It'll be here, 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 here. And then over here, some over here. And yeah, that is beautiful. I really like this one. Should I do this one next? I think I might have to do this one next. It's so pretty. Okay, let's take a look at the detail in her face. Take a look here. Look at her cute eyes. Her eyes are adorable. Then her mouth. She looks kind of sad. Like, you'd think she'd be happy because there's all these bees around her and she's holding a bee, but it's like, are these bees going to attack her for this bee? Why is she so sad? She's so pretty though. I love her. And there's a bee in her head, on her hair. That is so cute. I love it. I love this canvas. Thank you so much, Jess. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are the best. Wow. Okay. Let's take a look and see the ABs and what colors we have in this kit, because I expect there to be a ton of yellow or like mustard yellow. We shall see. And an AB is right here. So this is 141. Very sparkly. You can tell there's like a coating on it. Okay, don't mind my nails. I just ripped off my press-on nails, or my glue-on nails. So my nails are kind of gross. Where is the other AB? So there's lots of browns, lots of like mustard colors. Okay, so this is the other AB, 131. Look how pretty that is. That's really nice. I like this. I love this kit. I think like I'm going to do this kit and then after I'll be sick of these colors like browns and stuff. But I really think that it's going to turn out beautiful. So I'm really excited to work on it. I'm wondering still if I should do it next. I don't know. Life is hard. We'll decide later. My tongue really, really hurts. I don't know if I should stop filming videos because my tongue hurts, but it does. My life. So yeah, this is Honey Mermaid by Simona Candini, licensed to Diamond Art Club. This is what I got from Jess. Here's a little thumbnail image. So thank you so much, Jess. I really appreciate you sending this over. I love this canvas. It's going to be a lot of fun to work on. I love her face and I love the bees in it. It's just so adorable. So thank you, thank you, thank you, Jess. Again, to check out her channel, just go to the description box under this video and you can check it out. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new diamond painting videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!